Hello everyone and welcome. What we can't complain about today is the weather. Absolutely perfect playing conditions. I'm Derek Ray, and keeping me company here on the commentary gantry is Stuart Robson. And this has all the makings of a highly engrossing match. It's Vålerenga, and they take on Godoy Cruz.
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
The lineup then for the hosts.
Well, this system gives them a good defensive base. A well-drilled back four, a solid midfield with wide players tucking in, and two forwards who can press the ball. But does it provide enough fluidity going forward? I'm never sure.
And introducing the visitors lineup today.
Well, it's the same system, but which team will press the ball and push their wide players forward, and which team will drop deeper and play on the counter-attack? We'll soon know.
And now they get the ball rolling. Well, no stopping him. Really good block. A good effective pressure high up the pitch. Plenty of forward momentum here, but can they produce? Very alert defending to cut off the supply. Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. Can he play it in? Take some progress with the ball at his feet. Has eyes for goal. Keeper did his job to begin with. Well, they can bring it out now.
Well, I still don't know how he kept that out, Derek. It's a fantastic save to keep it all square.
Well, the ball lost here. An attack full of promise. And possibilities inside the box. Still looking for space. Can't miss, surely. Terrific block there. Can he put them in front? Yes is the emphatic answer, and you have to say it was on the cards.
Well, here's the replay, and in many ways it doesn't do justice to how patient they were in the build-up. Just so composed, waiting for the right moment. And from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
1-0 then. Over the touchline for a throw-in. Promising attack, this. Doing well to keep possession. It ought to be the goalkeeper's ball. Safe pair of hands, did his job. Did well to win the ball back. Well, very close to half-time now, and it's a narrow lead for the home side. Stuart, how would you assess what you've seen?
Well, I think they've been the better side in this first half. They've defended well, they've looked dangerous in attack, and they've controlled the midfield. It's been a solid performance so far.
Tremendous ball played through. And nothing positive comes of it, unfortunately. Well, not giving him any breathing room. And in possession, Moreira. Can they create something from here? And played in. Well, body in the way. Oh, blocked it! Well, offside, unfortunately. Oh, big chance. Well, good defending, clattered out of there. 1 minute of stoppage time has been added on. And in possession, Moreira. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. I think most fans would be pretty happy with this man's display so far.
Well, Derek, he took his goal well and was a constant threat throughout that first half. I thought he showed a lot of skill to get out of tight situations, and he had a real impact on the plate.
And now they get the ball rolling. The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. Really good challenge. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break. Just knocking it around, looking to carve out a chance. Well, didn't go to plan in the end. Good movement. And players waiting in the centre. Preferring to go infield. Moving the ball nicely, trying to carve out the equaliser. Dangerous looking attack. It has to be. Splendid defending. Well, there's a keeper on song.
Well, how did he stop that? That's just unbelievable.
There has been plenty of limbering up from substitutes, and now both sides will make personnel switches. And he's fired over the corner. Well, threat averted. Could be a chance to break here. Well, far from the ideal pass. Well, that's a well-timed pass. Possession one. Well, you've got to keep the ball a bit better than that. I must say, this looks promising. But quick thinking defensively. Well, possession is the watchword inside their own territory. And taking it away. And teammates to play it to. Oh, they've lost it. And breaking at pace with menace. And Moreira on the ball. Makes the move to the inside. Real chance. Oh, not to be. That would have put them well on their way, Stuart.
Well, that could prove to be a big miss. Surely has to score there.
Well, they have elected to go to the bench at this stage of the game. He'll have a go here. Well, it wasn't quite the quality of shot that we were all anticipating. Ten minutes to go then. Plenty of options, but they took care of the situation defensively. Well, this could pose problems for the defenders. Well, the flag was up in good time, bringing that move to an end.
Well, he's just got to be more patient there. He's gone too early.
Well, they are committed to making the substitution here. Five minutes remaining, and one thing is certain, no one is leaving because it's still close. Must be! And a goal here! There it is! They've done it!
Well, here we can see it again, and it's all about the pace of the passing. One touch, slick movement, and then the shot is emphatic. He strikes it with such power, the keeper has no time to react. What a good finish.
Well, a second goal for them here. Plenty of room in the wide area. But they dealt with the threat posed. And the referee has added on 2 minutes of stoppage time. And there it is, the final whistle. The home fans are going to be happy with this result.
Yes, Derek, fairly comfortable in the end, wasn't it? Thought they controlled the middle of the park for the most part, and going forward, there were some really nice, incisive plays as well. Good result for them.
Well, I don't think, Stuart, anyone can really quibble about what he put into the game.
Yeah, not much more you could ask for, really. Plenty of effort, a goal, and most importantly, the right result. He should be happy with today.